Good news! Kareng kabalen king Arayat. Formal neng binuklating kabayong shopping destination in Walter Mart, Arayat. Located along Jose Abad Santos Avenue, Barangay San Jose, Mesulo, Walter Mart Arayat is now your one-stop place for shopping, dining, and family fun, all in one roof. Excitement was in the air as families and barcadas came together to witness the mall's grand opening. From colorful performances to special promos and exclusive deals, talagang ramdam ang fiesta vibe.
Iniimbitahan ko po ang lahat ng ating mga kababayan na Kapampangan dito sa Arayat na magtungo po dito sa Walter Mart Arayat. Muli po kami po ay bukas mula Lunes hanggang Linggo, mula alas 10 ng umaga hanggang alas 8 ng gabi. Para naman po sa gustong mag-grocery ng mas maaga, ang ating pong supermarket ay bukas ng as early as 8 a.m.
Expect amazing promos and discount galore. Mapamanyali ka groceries, gadgets, o kaya naman school supplies. At Alibu Shopping king Walter Mart. It's a community space where everyone is welcome, from kids enjoying the play area to moms and dads finding great deals. The mall is designed for clean, safe, and comfortable shopping that fits every lifestyle.
Napakasaya, wala pong pagsidla ng kaligayahan ng mga Arayateños dahil gaya po ng Walter Mart, isa pong pinagkatiwalaan nila ang bayan ng Arayat na tayuan po ng ganitong business. Kaya po napakalaking lalo na po sa ekonomiya ng bayan, ito na po siguro ang pag-usbong talaga yung hindi mapipigilan ng progreso ng Arayat.
This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.